Hello student, this is an introductory lecture for class 8, chapter 4, Understanding Law of Social and Political Life. In this chapter, in the starting you have some important work in the key term. Read these words yourself. So in the starting of this chapter, you have definition of law. You will read in this chapter what is law and why these laws are important for us. Then you have rule of law. Our constitution provides some law for the entire citizens irrespective of religion, reason, caste or gender. Same as your school provides some rules for students. For example, arrival time for school, departure time for school, timetable, schedule, that is same for every students. So after this you move to the law in the ancient India, meaning pre-independence periods. At that time that people also follow some rules which are based on the religion and the caste. Then you move to the post-independence era meaning time period. So after our independence, our Indian government in the constitutions provides some new law, for example controlling pollutions, assuring employment opportunity all, protecting consumer right to information and so on. These new rules which are provided to Indian people after the independence. Then you have the law making procedure. In this law making procedure you will understand how these laws are made by our Indian government in the parliament, which is our supreme law making body. For example, to stop the domestic violence, our Indian constitution make a law against the domestic violence. The name of this law is Stop Domestic Violence. Then at the last topic you will read how you can get the knowledge about these new law and rule. So this is possible through the RTI, meaning Right to Information Act, which provide all type of informations and build a link between the people and the government. So this is all about this lecture. This is very short, simple and interesting lecture. I hope you will enjoy this lecture. Thank you students.